Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage employee timesheets in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Easy enough, right? Now, the reason we do this is because Monday.com is an excellent tool for managing employee timesheets, giving you precise control and oversight over your team's work hours. Once you're logged in, hover over the left sidebar and click on New, then select Board. This helps us because it lets us start fresh and organize our timesheets exactly how we want them. Next up, we're going to name our board Employee Timesheets. In this step, it's important to use a clear, distinct name so you can easily locate your board later. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add columns for name, date, start time, end time, and total hours. This is the core of our timesheet management. Each column represents crucial information that will help you keep track of your employees' work hours. Then, you'll invite your team members to the board. Click on Invite at the top right corner, enter their email addresses, and hit Send. Inviting your team members allows them to log their own hours, making the process more efficient. After your team members are invited, instruct them to fill in their timesheets daily. They just need to click on the plus button to add a new line, then fill in their name, date, start time, end time, and total hours. Let me explain why this matters. It's important for accuracy and accountability, ensuring that everyone is honest about their work hours. The last step is to review and approve these timesheets regularly. You can do this by checking the board at the end of each work week. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're keeping a close eye on your team's work hours, which helps you manage workload and productivity more effectively. And that's it. Managing employee timesheets in Monday.com is as simple as that. You're now in full control of your team's time management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.